How to view content of your Discord data package. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can view content of your Discord data package. So first thing, just head over to your Discord application and make sure you are logged into your account. Just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and once you're inside here, just tap on the gear icon that is settings at the top right corner, and now scroll and click on this data and privacy option. So you can see there's an option called request all of my data. So basically you just have to click on this request all of my data. So once you tap on it, as you can see, it may take up to 30 days to collect all of your data. So they will send you an email address to your registered with when the package is ready. So if you just like the request of a subset, you can do on your web client as well. So you can just click on this request my data option over here, and once you do that, your data, requested data or package would be sent to your particular registered Gmail address. And finally, to upload the package, you should have a third-party website such as discordpackage.com. So you just have to simply download the package from your email and upload that to that website, and you should be able to view all of your data. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.